Morning. It's far too early. It's 6:30. We are getting ready to go to Portofino Bay. And then you can check in any time between 6 and 7. And then head to rope drop for Hagrid's. And this is our Uber. Woo! That's pretty. It's far too early for opera or Italian music right now. Ew, it smells amazing in here. Ooh. They've just opened the park. It's 7:45. Every time we always get the queue. People have issues at the front. Like, come on, people, get your tickets ready. You're not here to have a party. You're not here to have a holiday when you come to rope drop. You're here to get in that goddamn park. So we moved queues, and now ours is not moving. Organisation, people. See, some people are literally sprinting. Well, question is, have these guys ever met a plus-size marathon runner? Because I'm going to take all the bastards down. Right, 8:03. Let's see how long this takes from there. Woo! It was 8:03 when we got on. We were actually 7:58. My watch is fast, so 7:58. It was 38 minutes. That includes getting all of our bags in lockers.
And actually riding the ride.
And riding the ride. And it was advertising 60 minutes.
So if you're staying in a Universal hotel, get there. We got to the front of Islands of Adventure, what, about 7:30?
Yeah, 7:30.
Already quite a crowd, you would have seen. But yeah, just ran straight through to this.
Yeah, they opened at 7:45 and people were storming, I mean, like, legging it.
Actually,
but less than 40 minutes from
that.
Yeah,
it's at 100 minutes now.
It's at 100 minutes, so the best ride. Now that's the second time I've done it. I've done it in the sidecar and the motorbike.
It's scarier on the bike.
Yeah,
scarier on the bike.
That's my favourite ride of all time. That beats Velocicoaster. Yeah, it's amazing.
I'm going to see what the wait time for Velocicoaster is now.
I need coffee. Coffee, people. Says 35. We'll see, because every wait time has been way shorter today. No. Every time. Lockers. That's a new Rip Ride Rocket. Probably gonna die. That's high. Oh, lockers. Minions is really good fun. I like that. It's good fun.
I'm so excited.
Right. If I'm not back, it's because I've died. Or I've wet myself, so I need a wee as well. So either way. I have no idea what it is. Ooh. We've just done Rip Ride Rocket. I think I saw Jesus, guys. I think he came and nearly took me away. The photo at the end, I look fucking traumatised. Like,
I've never seen her look so terrified.
I look, I can't even put into words. What did you think of it, Emma?
Oh, I loved it. I want to go on it again.
In the dark?
in the dark.
Going on her own.
With my rock music playing. Absolutely brilliant.
Right, we're getting on the Mummy. Oh, and I've just been that person that just stops dead in the middle of people. But sorry, my bad people. I have no recollection of this ride. Apparently we've done it.
We definitely did.
Yeah. Just enjoying the car sounds, because you know me. Apparently cars are my biggest thing, and I love cars. We'll see though. No, we're not in Transformers, we're in Fast and Furious. Oh, this is pretty. Playing some banging tunes in here. Yeah. Little rave. Tune. Work it, girl. Honey, I'm home. My camera's very jumpy today. That's nice. I was going to jump on the Piccadilly line. I'll be home in 10 minutes. Yay! Home sweet home. Oh my god, the Wyndham Theatre they've put in! That is so fucking clever! Now I'm really home. Oh, you came up and there's a night bus.
Gary, solid gold Gary. What's up, man? What's going on with you, brother? You alright? Yes, man. Maximum respect them star. You alright? Hey, Gary, you're a wizard, right? I knew it. I could tell, man. It's alright. Yeah. Have you been in Diagon Alley yet? That's right. What did you like the most?
Where's that place? Oh, where the house moves.
Order of the Phoenix.
I give you know. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I don't think you're ready.
I need to get a photo.
Oh my god. Well, that's something. Pardon? This is amazing. This is insane. Gone. Which way do you want to go? Left or right? I know.
Alright. No, I already did it. I already got my turn. I was gonna go, but...
Going back to photos.
money. If you wish to open an account, please visit Gringos Bank.
Emma's in her element right now. You got your Gringotts money, Em?
I got my Gringotts money.
Did they make you happy?
It made me so happy. Look at it. I mean, it still says $10. I really wanted it to be in, like, you know, all the... Oh, it's so cute.
So you can exchange your dollars for... You can basically exchange your muggle money for wizard money and you can spend it in the park. So Emma got $20 of muggle money into Gringotts.
Yeah, it is.
Not Gringotts, into wizard money. You're getting too excited and dropping your beer. Yeah. What's this? You can collect one as well. How much is a normal one, do you know? Just to buy without the interactive.
I don't know.
We couldn't see any prices on. I want to know what house I'm in.
That's Neville. Mad I'd be cool. I wanted Bellatrix's wand.
Oh. I just threw all my beer down a wall. I'm very unhappy. And Emma, I threw it all down myself as well. I managed to save about a quarter of a pint, which was $11, so it's wasted $8. Oh, the detail gets me every time. We escaped from the rain again. It was like a monsoon outside. It was torrential. We got drenched, so we're having a Duff beer. Woohoo! In Moe's Tavern. Please tell them how much 2 beers were in Moe's Tavern, Emma.
$25.60.
Yeah. Ouch. But the food was really good. I had a crusty burger and Emma had a ribby thingy with Jake.
Crusty burgers.
Yeah, they were good quality for money, good value for money.
Yeah, they were. That was nice.
Yeah, just getting ready for Halloween Horror Night now. Oh. Right, love tester. Let's see why I've been single for 5 years. What do I do? Oh, sounds about right. I don't even know how to do it.
You didn't even hold on that long. Ooh, hot tamale.
What does that even mean? Fab. Thanks for that. I'm not sure if that's done my ego any good or not, really. Right, it's still moist, it's still wet, it's still warm. Ugh. Florida, I adore you, but I'm done with your rain. Right, we are in Moe's, we've just been, yeah, we're in Citizenland. This is the scream and hold and scream, scream and hold. Love your life and scream. What is it? What? Scream and wait.
Stay and scream.
Stay and scream.
My actual...
I was nowhere near.
I've been on holiday with this for like 2 weeks.
Stay and scream.
Scream and wait.
Anyway, right. Yeah, so we've been holding in here. We're gonna
I'll see what all of this is about, really.
Get still very damp and wet.
Okay, I really don't want to vlog too much while the weather's like this. Atmosphere's amazing though. But this rain is relentless. Oh yeah.
Oh, you're not waiting for videoing that.
I am. I'm not videoing us. I think we made a terrible mistake. We apparently scare really easy. Everyone around me just hears me swear for the whole house. I'm telling people to. Basically. Am I going to be traumatised or absolutely hammered by the end of tonight? Who knows? Oh. I like this. I'm a fan of this.
You know the secret, you gotta hit the bar.
That's not the rain though. Not a fan of the rain. Don't fucking think so. Oh, so they're pumping all of these out all over the park. I don't like it. I've got people following me. I mean, I'm nearly losing my cool on the scare maces. Who am I kidding? You can't really see us, but we are those two people that the people watching the CCTV footage have collared and been like, the Brits, get them because they're screamers. To the point where other people in the mazes are laughing around us because we're screaming that much. Now I've got scare actors following me. I don't like it. I don't like it. I jumped at something. I wasn't sure if it was a child or a scare actor, but I'm assuming scare actor because children are allowed in. If it was a child, I told it to stop. So hey. Release the actors. There's always one late one, isn't there? That forget. Obviously a shift change. Look at the go, still in character. This is the guy that followed me practically all the way through the goddamn park, scared the crap out of me. I don't like it.
like scare actors in them to make
Yeah.
it like it's too wet, let's not.
Maybe.
Walk them out there all night.
I so wish someone had jumped out of him then. Pretty though, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's hard rock.
Oh, it's hard rock.
Yeah. This is another moment of what is my life. Look how beautiful it is. Okie dokie. Sorry, sweet. Thank you, honey. Go and get our room and then find somewhere for a nice little glass of wine. Shall we, Wow. Look at it. Yeah, it's fun. I'll just say, Emma, it's one of those moments of what is my life. Just feel the quality of the carpet. Oh, 3231. That's our room. Of course.
And this corridor, because it's just ridiculously pretty.
The carpet is bouncy. You know there's money in this carpet. Go on, oh no, you on. Got it. I've got the door. Ish. Okay. Tea and coffee in the morning. Nice mirror. Not a nice reflection. What? You can have a party in here.
Oh, I love it.
Into the light on.
Oh, nice shower.
I mean, okay, I know I look very dishevelled right now, but...
Oh, so dishevelled.
Oh, it's got two sinks. Oh, ooh. Hi, freebies.
Nice shower stuff.
Huge mirror.
Absolutely massive.
Power shower.
Oh my god. So this, just feel this. It's a shower curtain.
Adam Hatton does a towel touch. I'm going to do a shower curtain touch. Ooh.
Ooh.
Nice.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Really minimal hangers.
I think every hotel does. Oh no, I can already see the view. Oh my god, I think I might cry. Where's the light? Don't be in another room without a main light. Let's turn the lights on. Wait. Oh.
Oh, look at this room.
Oh. I can already see the water shimmering from up. Oh, look at the size of the TV. Oh, nice little posh water. Hello, how are you? You're cute.
95G.
The remote is still wrapped, I assume, from COVID-19. They're still doing that. Little cute little desk.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like a very comfy chair as well.
Actual Portofino Bay.
Portofino Bay. Do you
Yeah,
want
very
to?
comfy chair. Should I have a little
Do you want to have a look?
look out the
I can see the water shimmer.
window? Look at the view.
Oh my god. What the actual frig me is happening right now?
So nice. Plenty of plugs as well.
Yeah.
Right, which bed do you want?
You choose.
I will pick the one by the window, but if you want it, I don't
Nope.
mind.
I'm good. I like this bed. This bed is calling me. Yep.
Excellent.
Hi. So even these are the toilets that are just on the bay. They're just so beautiful. Yeah, just clean, smell nice. They're just really nice. What is my life right now? I don't know. I'm just very grateful and very blessed that this is my life right now. Just having a nice glass of wine, just overlooking the bay. Oh, isn't it just? Yes. $10 for a glass, which, considering we were paying
Over that.
way over that for a can of beer in the park, is really not that bad when you have this as your view.
Yeah. And a nice glass of wine.
Cheers. Now you can stop. How did you find Halloween Horror Night, Em? From start to finish. Don't give the whole, but you know.
What?
How did you find it?
Yeah, very good. It got better, I thought, when it got dark. Definitely. Because then all the scare actors came out on the main street and it was a lot more kind of atmospheric. Early on, it was just kind of raining. The houses we did, I thought were great. We did 5. I
Out of
really
10.
liked.
Which is good.
Yeah. All the queues just got too big and my feet's hurt.
Yeah.
I really liked it. I'm really glad we went, even though I'm terrible in haunted houses, and just basically gripped Grace's backpack the entire way around. I made her jump because I just kept jumping it and everything. No, I really enjoyed them. I liked Dead Man's Pier best. That had a lot more scenery and was really cool. Lots of kids
Yeah.
at this one, like really large groups of teenagers. I don't know if it's a thing to do on a Friday night, so maybe if you can book a midweek one.
Yeah, like big
When they were
groups
at
of like
school.
20 plus.
Yeah. I really enjoyed it. I would be more enthusiastic, but it's been a long day.
Yeah.
I'm quite tired. What did you think?
Take the thrill.
Take the thing.
I mean, it's been a long day. I've done 32,500 steps today and 14 miles. I really enjoyed it. It's definitely my vibe. I love a scare. I'm a big horror fan. It got very busy.
Yeah, rammed. Busiest we've seen
Anything since we've been here. And
Would
yeah,
recommend either paying, if you're not in Universal that day, paying the $35 for the stay and screams. You can go in at 3 and get on some of those early.
yeah, definitely.
Or just have a Universal day. But would say absolutely like knackering.
Yeah.
Rope dropping from 7:30 and until now. So we've not stayed till the end, but everything was getting a queue over an hour.
45 to an hour at the end. We've done over 15 hours in the park today.
Yeah.
And we've still not covered everything.
No.
This is our thing. We've had 2 full days in Universal and we've still covered 1.5 parks basically.
Yeah.
I would highly recommend Horror Night,
Yeah.
especially adults.
Yeah, it's quite fun actually just wandering around with a beer and...
Just, being terrified. I'm sure people had a good laugh at me and Emma because we were just screaming our way around. That is just us. Yeah, I would say highly recommend it.
And what do we think of the Portofino?
Oh, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. It's just stunning.
Portofino Bay.
Yeah.
So pretty. If I earned a lot of money, I would stay here.
Yeah. Oh, shout out to Seth, who was on the front
100%.
desk.
Yes, he was amazing.
Obviously, we checked in at like 6:30 this morning, but we obviously went to get our room key. And absolutely adorable. And he gave us some breakfast vouchers for tomorrow, complimentary, which was just a really, really nice
sweet
touch. Like,
Yeah.
really nice touch. Yeah, he was lovely. So big shout out to Seth from
We love
Portofino
you,
Bay.
Seth. We love you, Seth.
Yeah, we're gonna enjoy our wine. Sal's, good old Sally, is open till 2 AM on Halloween Horror Nights, so we may go and have another drink there, and then we're gonna hit the hay because that bed looks insane.
Yeah, it looks so comfy.
Yeah.
It's calling me.
It is.
And that absolutely massive TV is as well, so I might chuck
Yeah.
that on for a bit. So,
Sign out on this. I'll take it. Also, my voice is ruined.
Oh yeah, she was screaming.
I've been screaming. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. Volcano Bay. Woo. Oh, here's another attractive angle of me. Shower. Great. Amenities. Great. Bed. Amazing. Water. Not complimentary. Just noticed that. As I went to take a lovely bottle of their water. It's not complimentary, but I don't care because I've got all these pillows. It's 1:45. I'm going to sleep. Emma's about to have a bath at 2:45 in the morning. We've been up since 5:30, so 22 hours. The joys of Disney and Universal. Happy holidays. That's the view that when we woke up during the day. We did not get up at 7. We did not make rope drop. Do we care? No, because I had a great night's sleep. We are going to go to Volcano Bay though. Say so. Port. By the port. Even more prettier in the daytime. I mean, whatever floats your boat for breakfast, I guess. So you can have an omelette made for you, which is nice. I think I could just been hit at the wrong side. I have no idea what that is. Yeah, let's go for that. Okay, so that's not the first time I'm definitely going to go up. You probably noticed that I always go up for food after Emma. Any buffet that I go up to, I always go last. Until this time, so I used to suffer from quite a severe eating disorder, and buffets were like my nemesis, shall we say. I still don't eat finger buffets and things like that. But I did go up to the buffet this time, and there's a lot of people around, which normally kind of freaks me out. People around on the buffet. It makes me very anxious. But it's quite big and spacious in here, so I don't feel overwhelmed at all. The amount of food on there, I was a little bit like, ooh. But it's good. It looks really nice as well, and it's lovely in here. It's really clean, really open. And it's so nice to wake up and not feel exhausted. I know that our plans have gone to shit today, basically, but I don't care. I couldn't do another night on 5 hours sleep and a 4 day in the park because we're going back to Hollywood Studios tonight. Yeah, so This hotel is stunning. If I come back, I'm going to have to stay here again, even if it's for 2 nights. Yeah, yeah. I just feel so lucky that that we're here. I get emotional again. Here comes Emma. I'm going to see what Emma's got on her plate. Okay, probably the weirdest looking plate ever. I got some fruit because I like my fruit. Oh, God, my hands look huge in this camera. I got a chocolate croissant because, you know, balance and all that. And just a little bit of salmon. Just a wee little scooch of salmon on my plate. I just fancied it. It looks nice. I feel so relaxed. I kind of even don't want to go to a park today. I just want to stay here all day. Got a tapu tapu? Tapu tapu tapu. Lovely few hours of Volcano Bay. Didn't do any rides, we just did the lazy river pool, but weather's changing again. And the Fearless River that throws you around, but the weather is changing again. So we're gonna head out, we're gonna head back to the hotel, back to our hotel, Holiday Inn, then get over to Hollywood Studios. Yeah. I'm sure they're going to be throwing people out of the water soon anyway. Yeah. So, make a move. Time to go. Time to make a move.